how to generate a QR code. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make or generate a QR code on any device using a free website. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the website we're going to be using to make and generate QR codes for free is going to be QR Code Gadget. Full disclosure, I created QR Code Gadget because I wanted to be able to recommend the tool that not only privately generates QR codes for you, but it also allows you to scan or decode pictures of QR codes without having to upload any of that data to our server. Everything on this website works directly in the browser on your device, your iPhone, Android phone, or computer for free. And check the description, I have a link down there. Once you get to qrcodegadget.com, we can make a QR code by in the top menu selecting generator or just selecting the QR code generator right here. Now in here, we have several pre-built templates if you're using a URL or text, or setting up an email, SMS, sharing a Wi-Fi network with a QR code, contacting your phone, or even for crypto. So I'm going to be doing a subscription link for my YouTube channel, so I'll select URL, and then in this box here, put the URL that I want the QR code to go to. Now, we also have some advanced options, such as you could change the size, and you can also change the foreground and the background color. So you could change the color of the QR code. So I'll generate the QR code so you can see what that looks like right now. But if I change the foreground, I can make it green. And then if I generate that, you can see the QR code is now green. I can also add a logo to my QR code as well. So I'll select browse, then I'll choose my logo. It'll give me an example. And when I select generate, as you can see, it puts the logo in the middle of the QR code. Pretty cool. So now I've changed the background color. So now I have a very custom QR code that stands out. And if people scan it, it takes them to my YouTube channel. If I'm on a computer, I could just right click it and select save image as. I can also download it as a PNG, and this will work on any device. So I could just select download, save, and then I can open that up. So now I can put this anywhere in my videos, put it on a sticker, anything like that. And when people scan it, they'll be brought to my YouTube channel. So that's how you make a QR code on any device. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.